Yes.
What does it mean that Tzimtzum Aleph is not ever annulled if we do use part of Malchut?
You could use it, nevertheless, not as it was prior. The first restriction, Tzimtzum Aleph, implies the following. In order to receive, you cannot use Malchut. In order to bestow, yes, please, there's no prohibition. Prohibition to use the desire to receive for oneself. Why? Because in that, you cannot receive more than a little spark, which anyhow it is in Malchut in order to revitalize it, and in order, as much as you receive in order to receive, you are further drawn away from the Creator, from the goal, and entering darkness, whereby all the pleasures you're receiving, you are following the path of sufferings in order to discover over time how incorrect you have advanced, and more than you are discovering these pleasures that are so-called imaginary, being pleasures of this world, you will not be able to feel more than that in the Malchut. You will not be able to receive in her. Thus, you are only in a struggle, whereby the entire human advancement, you can see, is on the path of suffering. That is the path of human suffering. It's still not the proper spiritual sufferings. But see how many years are we in a search for a goal, pleasures, for it all to connect together. What is it that we want? We want to enjoy both worlds. We want to enjoy attaining the purpose of life, and we want to enjoy, right? In both. And we are working in such way whereby the attainment of the pleasure, the small, seemingly minute pleasure that is before us, this attainment concealed from us the attainment of the true pleasure. Thus, here's the problem. In that we are stuck all the time. Yes.